Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormaz and back with another hot crypto project. In today's video, I just want to talk about the basic NFT ETF. So I just want to talk about this one NFT, and this one NFT is too much important for us. And if you know about that, I'm always select those projects, those NFTs which have a more and more potential in upcoming time, and which is profitable for all my community. So right now, I just want to talk about the NFT ETF. What is the benefit, why we should buy this one NFT, and what is the reason to make it the video about this one NFT. So right now you can see NFT ETF get listed on KuCoin, and this is basically the NFT is completely basically from the Fracton Protocol. And you know about that, the Fracton Protocol are completely created the NFT for all users. The name of this NFT is NFT ETF. And right now if you look at the pair is almost the main symbol of this one NFT is hiODBS, which is the pair of USDT. And if you look to deposit, no open network is ERC20. So means that if you want to deposit this one NFT to their platform, their exchange like to KuCoin, so you will be able to deposit this one NFT with the pair of and the network of ERC20. So means that this project is completely work on Ethereum blockchain. And it is also too much important to know about this one, some guesses of the ERC20 network. You know about that there is a too much high fee of the main network of the Ethereum. So you must know about that. If you want to withdraw or deposit any NFT or any project, any coin from their network, so you will be able to pay almost up to $100 easily to their gas fee, and you will be easily send almost $100 easily, because this is a main rules of their main network, because the network is 100% trusted and reliable. That's why they are get 100 fees or gas fees from all of you. And you know, if you want to if your balance is already there, so you don't worry about that. You will be pay almost up to 10 or $20 to their main ERC20 network. And after that, if you look to trading is completely alive. Trading is now you can trade with this one project. But I just want to tell about this one project. If you want to do the trade with this one NFT, how can we will be able to do trade with this one NFT? So this is too much important question for us, because if you invest in any NFT, so in that time we will not able to get the benefit from that NFT, and we directly think about that we are become in the loss. But not at all. You, if you want to get a more struggle, and if you want to do a more struggle in the main platform of the NFTs, so you'll be able to get almost from $100 to $1,000 easy in a day. So right now you can see the main trading is on September 14, so which is done. You know about that. And you can see the main hashtag is blue chip NFT. So basically I'm all told about that, but at the last there's a too much important point right now, why we should buy this one NFT. So right now I just want to talk about this. First of all, you must buy this one NFT, but you must first of all look to the floor price, and as well as you simply look to the main what is the main cheapest price of this one NFTs. And after that, if you look to the main cheapest price, after that you simply look to the history of that NFT, because the history is also too much matter on the main market. If the history is good, and if you want to buy this one NFT, almost if the history repeated almost on 100 above in dollars. But if you want to get this one NFT almost up to $80 or $90 or $50, so in that time, if they are the buying selling of this one NFT is too much more, so in that time you will be decided and buy this one NFT easily. So if you buy this one NFT, so after that you simply listed that NFT on their exchange, and you simply place the order almost up to easily up to 120 130. So means that in one NFT you simply get almost up to easily almost up to $50. So this is how can you make money from NFT. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say about the NFT trading. You simply buy the cheapest price, and after that you simply wait for the better time to sold out that NFT on the good prices. So this is how can you make money from NFTs. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Dishan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.